आज का टॉपिक बहुत ही स्पेशल है एंड इस टॉपिक को शुरू करने से पहले मैं कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ। द इवेंट्स, कैरेक्टर्स एंड फर्म्स depicted in this audio are fictitious. Any similarity to actual persons, living or dead, or to actual firms is purely coincidental. They say imagine the outcome in your mind. If everything that we do in our lives, the outcome is this mere piece of paper that is considered as the most valuable currency, then how many hours do we really need to put? And at the end of the day, what is the calculation or a formula that we need to derive? Say, for example, if an employee age 24 is getting paid 40,000 per month, what is his daily income? 1333 to be more precise. He or she works 8 hours a day, not counting 2 hours of commuting from the office back home. Rupees 166 is paid hourly to that employee to use their skills in lieu of the salary that they are being paid. Today, work from home businesses are able to make 5 times to 20 times more money using the same skills, same talent. Only thing is, they changed their mindset and they applied their skills to create a startup of their own. Is it mindset, talent, coaching, learning, education, or failed experiences? What is it? Society says that you should learn before you earn. True. डिग्री ले लो, जॉब करो, शादी कर लो, लाइफ सेट हो जाएगी. As if those who advised did all of the above and their life is set. Bullshit, my foot. Your life is only influenced by the environment you live in, correct? But if such people live around you, how will you even survive? हमारे देश में सबसे बड़ा रोग कोरोना से भी बढ़ के है, तो वो है सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग. But all I learned in school, college was not even close to what I am currently implementing, and today I have to spend again to learn the things that keep changing on the internet in a blink of an eye. What you learn today becomes obsolete tomorrow. And are the schools, colleges really teaching the right thing to the kids and grown-ups? Or they really not bothered about their future and only bothered about ever increasing fees? ब्राइट फ्यूचर बनाना है या ब्राइट फीस देकर प्राउडली बोलना है, खुश नसीब समझो कि आपका बेटा आईसीई में पढ़ता है. Remember that Three Idiots वाला dialogue where Farhan wants to become a photographer but his father wants him to become an engineer? तो काहे का टीचर्स डे? Why is this hypocrisy being sold big time and we are to be believed that we need to respect our gurus, बल्कि उन so called gurus and teachers के वजह से इंडिया में आज जॉब्स ही नहीं है. First, we are hit by wrong education, then by wrong profession and finally we realize our passion. तब तक गाड़ी छूट चुकी होती है एंड दोबारा फिर से हमें सीखना पड़ता है, दोबारा फिर से स्टार्ट करना पड़ता है. एंड जो जॉब्स बचे हुए हैं वहां से भी लोग निकल के अपना स्टार्टअप करना चाहते हैं, कुछ नया करना चाहते हैं. टुडे algebra equations, geometry, scientific experiment, geography, history that we learned, nothing is coming handy. It doesn't even make sense anymore today, not even once. Such complex equations just to get passing grades or even distinction और स्कूल में या क्लास में सबसे पहले नंबर पे आना है. I wish the subjects in school were how to focus, how to become a good person, how to build your thoughts and imagination, how to build anything from scratch, how to engineer and fix household items, how to cook food, how to build homes, how to help and be of service, how to design furniture, how to code, how to design, how to market, what is internet, what are mobile apps or web-based apps, how to be a scientist, how to paint. Most importantly, the schools never taught us how to make money, which is the key essence today. 18 साल के एजुकेशन के बाद भी अगर आपको पैसे कमाने के लिए दिक्कत हो रही है एंड आपको एक फैमिली चलाने के लिए दिक्कत हो रही है या आपको एक टीम चलाने के लिए दिक्कत हो रही है, तो मैं समझ सकता हूँ हमारा एजुकेशन सिस्टम कितना वाहियात है और कितना ख़राब था। 18 साल के एजुकेशन होने के बाद एक इंसान का लेवल क्या होना चाहिए, कहाँ जाना चाहिए, उनका एक्सीलेंस, उनका मेरिट क्या होना चाहिए। इसलिए क्लास में 90 बच्चों में से सिर्फ एक ही स्कॉलर रहता था, बाकी सब डिस्टिंक्शन या पासिंग मार्क्स से पास हो जाता था। वेयर इज़ आवर एजुकेशन सिस्टम हेडिंग? इज़ दिस द फ्यूचर दैट इंडिया वांट्स टू सी? प्लीज़ आपके कमेंट्स, आपके थॉट्स मेरे साथ शेयर कीजिए एंड मैं आपको नेक्स्ट ऑडियो पॉडकास्ट में मिलूंगा। दिस इज़ मी सौरभ हिरलेकर साइनिंग ऑफ and I'll be back with another audio podcast very soon. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.